Hello everybody. This video is specially for the parents. So parents, get your feet ready and let us do it. We have decided to perform a few activities in English which will be instructed to you every Monday. So activity for this week, that means Monday to Thursday, your activity is wrapping a gift. Since the students are with you at home, you are more like an asset for us because we cannot perform the activities with the students, these activities with the students, whereas you can. So what I want for this activity is you to have a gift wrap, that means any cardboard box, and you have to wrap it into gift wraps. So this activity is actually for testing the patience of the ward, of your ward. We want to check the patience of your ward. I mean, how patiently your ward is going to be when he unwraps the gift or when she unwraps the gift. So for this you need one cardboard box of this shape or maybe any size will work. You have to wrap it into certain layers. Like एक बार wrap करना है, then you have to wrap it again, then again, like 10 to 12 wraps you should do. Minimum is 8 to 12 you have to 8 to 12 times you have to wrap the gift like this. I have wrapped it 8 to 12 times. Then what you have to do, you have to start a video like I have started. You have to start the recording. You have to hand over the gift to your child. Okay, you're going to give it to your child. You will ask your child to open the gift, that means unwrap the gift with patience. Okay, he doesn't have to just do it like this. No, you have to check the patience of the child. आपको अपने बच्चे का patience check करना है. So आप उसको बोलिए ना, please unwrap this gift slowly, layer after the other, layer wise इसको remove करना है. So this I'm going to do it here. Let us see how can I do it. So this is the first layer which I'm going to unwrap here. This one. और बहुत स्लोली यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व योर चाइल्ड कि वो किस तरीके से आपका गिफ्ट अनरैप कर रहा है, कितना पेशेंटली. पहला लेयर तो ही इज गोइंग टू अनरैप वेरी पेशेंटली, बहुत पेशेंटली आपकी पहली लेयर को अनरैप करेगा. देन द सेकेंड लेयर व्हेन ही इज गोइंग टू अनरैप इट, ही इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी पेशेंट. बट सिमिलरली जब बार बार उसे अनरैप करना पड़ेगा गिफ्ट, तो उसके बाद उसका पेशेंस लेवल कम होता जाएगा. दिस इज़ हाउ वी विल गेट टू नो कि हमारा बच्चा या हमारा वर्ड, हमारा स्टूडेंट कितना पेशेंस है. आई मीन उसमें कितना पेशेंस है, हाउ मच पेशेंट आर स्टूडेंट इज. सो फॉर दिस वी नीड योर कोऑपरेशन. सिंपली यू हैव टू डू वन कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स, यू हैव टू टेक, यू हैव टू रैप इट इनटू सर्टेन रैप्स. कम से कम 8 से 12 बार इसे रैप करना है. आपको अपने बच्चे को बताना है कि आपको पेशेंटली इसे खोलना है, और जब वो इसे खोल रहा हो, you have to record a video, you have to send it to me and to the teachers. For section A, class 2A has to send the videos to Pooja ma'am. हम जल्दी से ग्रुप बना लेंगे, उसमें आपको videos भेजनी है. Your teacher is going to tell you how you have to do. Section B will be sent to Shada ma'am. Section C will be sent to me, Nichi ma'am. Okay? So what you have to do, simply parents have to take one cardboard box, बार बार इसको wrap करना है अलग अलग papers में. If you don't have a wrapping paper, you can even use a newspaper. आप न्यूज़पेपर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. You can even use calendar papers. Calendar papers भी चलेंगे. If your box is small, आप calendar wrap भी कर सकते हो. No issues. You just have to wrap it into like 8 to 12 times you have to wrap it. और बच्चे को इसको खोलते हुए आपको वीडियो बनानी है और हमें भेजना है, और आपको भी पता चल जाएगा कि आपके बच्चे के अंदर कितना पेशेंस. So what you have to do, you have to check the patience of your child, and we'll be very happy if you can help us. I hope this is not a big deal. I hope you can help us with this, and that will be a great help from your side. That is all. Signing off for today. Monday we will be instructing you how to do the activity, so do not miss out. Every Monday we will be asking the parents to join us in the online class. In the online class only, along with your word, you have to come and you will be there, sitting there, and then we will help you out and we will clear the activity with you. ये कुछ weeks के लिए we are going to do it, and I hope there is no problem and no issues in that. That is all. Bye bye. Take care.